Alright guys, getting in on the NASCAR group build with, oh, maybe not, because the box fell over. But this is from, Fred and Jeff are putting on this thing, and I had to get in on it, and I thought this is a perfect opportunity. This one's been sitting in the closet for a while, and it's time. The number 8, Dale Jr., not 88, just 8. Back when he drove for Budweiser. And now this kit, it's the 2006 Monte Carlo, and it is from 2006. And I'm showing that it's actually completely sealed still. And so we're gonna open it up because this will be basically episode 1, where you do the unboxing and a look at it. But I wanted to point out this. Looks like it's got a figure in there. Dale Jr. has been in this box for 16 years. Let's get them out. So let's open up the box and spread out the parts and see what we got in there. Okay, I got them all out of the box here. The box, it just had an inner bag with everything packed in there. Tires, everything, all inside this big pack, big bag. And then the instructions and the decals. I'm happy to see that the decals are in very good shape. Plenty of carrier film still on there, you can see there. And bright, vivid colors. I'll use this opportunity to get them into a baggie quickly before all this changes, because they've been exposed to air now. Not really, not a kit this new. But anyway, we'll open up this bag and lay some parts out and take a peek, make sure everything's in good shape before we get going, and that'll be next. Alright, I just laid all the parts out so that we take a look at them all at the same time. Start way over here with the body. Forgot to mention, this is 1/24th scale, so this is kind of big, and that's appreciated because having trouble with the smaller and smaller parts. And the body looks good, not warped, not no flash, and so on, as if I care about flash. But down here, so there's the hood, and it had some detail on the bottom as well there. But then right below that is Dale Jr. in a bag, and it looks like he's had a kind of a rough night there, but definitely comes with a figure. It didn't actually say it comes with a figure on the, that's why I'm pointing that out. It was just in the picture, and I'm confirming that there's a figure in there. Now these are rubber pieces, the window net and these hoses, these are very rubbery. So that's good. You got your cages, 2 basic big halves, and your undercarriage. And your tires, I'll leave in the bag for now. And here's your engine sprue, or one of the engine sprues, because you got engine parts all over the place here. Look at this nice intake there. Try to get in on that. Looks good. So you get your wheels and a fantastic looking seat. A few more engine parts over here. Undercarriage, steering wheel. Firewall, suspension, so on. Top of the cage, I guess. I won't know till I start putting it together. And here's the best part of it all. All the trim on the glass is painted already, and that's extremely very much appreciated. They just got a Tampo big rubber Tampo ink stamper that comes down and takes care of that. And that's all of them. The very appreciated. So that will be good. And so it looks like it is, much as there's a lot of parts, I think there's only like 90 parts, but they have it simplified in some ways to make it go better. So who knows, maybe it won't take me till the end of the year, but I'm going to start this today, and I'll be building it alongside the Thunderbird, and so you'll be seeing updates from both of them. And so I'll see you there. Next episode, something will be glued together. See ya.